proceed. State your name and service.
Yes, Your Honor. The state will call Andrew Mescalado.
Sir, please step forward, face the court, raise your right hand, and be sworn.
Do you solemnly swear from the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? You may have a seat, sir.
Good afternoon, Judge.
Speak to yourself. Even if you think you're yelling, because the microphone is recording the jury's out there.
Yes, Your Honor.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Could you please introduce yourself to the members of the jury?
Good afternoon. My name is Andrew Mescalado.
What is it that you do for a living?
I'm a maritime attorney.
How long have you worked in that type of field in law?
It will be 20 years this September.
Okay. Are you a sole practitioner, or do you work with other attorneys?
No, I'm a partner at the law firm of Furtick and Gramling. We're located in Fort Lauderdale.
About how many attorneys are in that firm?
We have 3 partners, including myself, and 4.5 associates.
And a half?
A woman that works part-time.
Gotcha. I would like to ask if you and your firm were retained to defend George Pino and his wife Cecilia Pino in regard to a lawsuit filed by the parents of Katerina, also known as Kati Puig.
We were retained for that lawsuit, but we were involved before the Puig's lawsuit against the Pinos.
Understood. But you did in fact represent George and Cecilia Pino in conjunction with that lawsuit?
Yes.
Do you see George Pino in the courtroom today?
Yes, I do.
Can you please point to him and describe what he's wearing?
He's the gentleman on my right side of the defense table with the blue blazer and blue tie.
For the record, pardon me?
We stipulate.
So noted.
Mr. Mescalado, could you tell us, do you, in the course of your practice, engage in a process called discovery?
Yes.
Could you explain what is discovery?
So one area of my practice is representing persons in civil lawsuits. And the rules of court in Florida allow for certain activities in litigation, whether you're the plaintiff or the defendant, to better understand the issues raised by the adverse party, and to gather information you would need to discuss settlement or prepare the case for trial. So the rules of civil procedure allow for, in simple terms, written discovery where you're sending certain kinds of papers to the adverse party, and they also allow for live testimony in terms of a deposition. They allow for medical examinations of people that have injuries. There's various tools you can use to prepare your client's case for trial.
Are interrogatories one of those tools?
Yes, the written discovery I was describing includes interrogatories.
Okay. Can you describe for the jurors what is an interrogatory?
It sounds technical, but very simple. It's a list of written questions that your attorney sends to the opposing party, asking questions about liability issues, damage issues, other information that's pertinent to the case. So the questions are sent. The party that receives them has 30 days to read them, object, or answer under oath or under penalty of perjury.
In the course of your representation of Mr. and Mrs. Pino, did you receive from the Puig's attorney a list of those questions, also known as interrogatories?
Yes, we received 2 sets of interrogatories from the attorneys for the Puig's. One was directed to Mr. Pino, and the second set was directed to Mrs. Pino.
Okay. In order to answer those interrogatories, did you have to communicate respectively with Mr. Pino and Mrs. Pino?
Yes.
And is that because you were not there at the time the subject of the lawsuit occurred, specifically a vessel crash that occurred on September 4th of 2022?
In part, yes.
Okay. Now, in order to answer a question as to how the crash happened, did you have to rely on information from your clients?
In part, yes.
And did you tell your clients that the answers that they would give on these interrogatories had to be truthful under the penalties of perjury?
Yes.
I'm going to show you two exhibits which are in evidence. And they are states exhibits 13 and 12. Are these the interrogatories that you responded to, respectively, as to number 12, George Pino, and 13, Cecilia Pino?
Yes, these look to be the interrogatories.
Thank you. I have no other questions.
No questions, Your Honor.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you.
State your next witness, please.
Your Honor, was able to call Cecilia Pino?
Ma'am, would you please stand up and be sworn? Thank you.
Do you solemnly swear from the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? I do. You may have a seat, Ms. Pino.
Please keep your voice loud and clear into the microphone. It's pointed just way at the jury side.
Okay, got it.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Could you please introduce yourself to the members of the jury?
Yes, my name is Cecilia Pino, and I am the wife. Sorry, my name is Cecilia Pino, and I'm the wife of George Pino.
Okay. Do you live in Miami?
I do,
How long have you lived in Miami?
my whole life.
You're how old?
I am 51.
Sorry, have to ask. Do you work?
I work with my husband,
Okay, what kind of work or business are you all in?
real estate,
What is the name of your real estate agency?
State Street Realty.
What kind of real estate, or is it residential? What kind of?
It's commercial real estate.
Judge, I can't hear very well.
Oh, sorry, commercial real estate.
Thank you, thank you. Even if you think you're yelling, it's okay.
Okay.
Now, I know you said that you're married to George Pino. Is he in this courtroom right now?
Yes.
Okay, do you see him and can you identify him with
Yes.
article of his clothing?
A blue tie, blue shirt, and a suit.
Okay.
Stipulate.
All right, so,
And your husband, he's the CEO of that real estate agency?
Yes,
And you are in charge of the community relations, something along those lines?
community relations, and I'm a sales associate as well.
Okay. And your father-in-law, is he the chief financial officer for that agency?
Yes.
And what exactly is the work that your husband does?
He sells real estate. He leases and sells real estate,
What kind of real estate?
commercial real estate.
Okay. Has he been able to work since the time of this crash?
He goes in and he's working to the best that he can.
Okay. And does he actually have properties listed under his name as the selling agent?
There are several selling agents on all the listings.
But is he one of the listed agents on?
Yes, he is.
Does your husband drive a car?
Yes,
And has he been able to drive since the time of the crash on September 4th of 2022?
yes, he drives.
Has your husband traveled internationally in December of 2022?
No. Internationally? No.
Did you go out of the country at any time after the vessel crash on September 4th, 2022?
We have gone out of the country.
Okay. To where?
We went, my daughter studied abroad, and we went to Spain to visit her.
And when was that?
I believe it was March of 24.
Did you travel in December of 2022?
We did.
Where?
To Seaside, Florida.
To where?
Seaside, Florida.
Where's that?
The Panhandle, Florida. We're near Pensacola.
And what was the purpose of that trip?
We went on a vacation.
Okay. I want to call your attention to the Labor Day weekend of 2022. Was there a birthday party celebration for your younger daughter?
Yes.
And she was going to be turning 18, is that right?
Yes.
How many girls were invited to attend the festivities over that weekend?
There were, including my daughter, 12 girls.
Okay. Where were they supposed to stay for that weekend?
We rented a house that we all stayed in.
Okay. Was this house like a mansion?
No.
Can you describe to the best of your ability what it looked like?
It was a typical normal house. It had about three bedrooms and bathrooms.
Okay. Did you guys have inflatable mattresses for some of the girls?
I believe we did, yes.
Was there a party planned for Sunday night of September the 4th of 2022?
Yes.
And was that supposed to be at a place called The Point?
Yes.
Who coordinated that party?
My husband did.
Were you involved in the planning or paying for that party?
No.
Before that party, did you and your husband take these 12 girls, including your daughter, out onto Biscayne Bay?
Yes, we did.
I have an exhibit here. It states exhibit number 8 in evidence. Can you take a look and tell me if this list represents the people that went out that weekend on the boat with you and your husband, including you and your husband?
Yes, that's correct, yes.
And aside from you and your husband, were any of these people over the age of 21?
No.
When you went out into Biscayne Bay that day, was this the first time your husband had ever operated that boat?
No.
Had you ever operated that boat?
Yes.
How on that day, on September the 4th of 2022, can you tell the jurors, did you operate that boat?
No, I did not.
Who was the only person that operated the boat on September 4th of 2022?
My husband.
Did you serve as a lookout either on the way out toward Billy's Point or on the way back?
I don't remember.
Okay. Was there a cooler on your boat that had alcoholic drinks that afternoon?
There was.
Did you film a video that afternoon of the girls singing and dancing along to the song Uptown Girl?
I don't remember the song, but I did film the girls dancing and singing.
Okay. Showing counsel states exhibits 2G and 2H for identification. Mrs. Pino, I'm showing you states 2G and 2H for identification.
Yes.
Do you recognize what these photographs represent?
Yes.
Are these accurate photographs of what a bottle of Chambord and what a bottle of Prosecco looks like?
Yes.
The state moves 2G and 2H for identification and evidence.
No additional objections.
All right, there will be without additional objections.
State Exhibit 2G, previously marked for identification, will become State Exhibit number 20 and 2H 21.
And to be clear, state's exhibit number 20 is a bottle of Chambord.
Correct.
What is Chambord?
It's a liqueur.
What kind of flavor does it have?
Like a berry flavor, I think.
Okay. And then State's Exhibit number 21, a bottle of prosecco.
Correct.
Is that kind of like champagne?
Yes.
Do you ever combine prosecco with chambord?
Yes.
Did you on September 4th, 2022, while out at the sandbar?
I did. I had in a Yeti. I put some prosecco and a little splash of chambord.
Okay, and how many of those did you consume?
I had 1 or 2.
Okay. I'm now showing you State's Exhibit number 10 in evidence. Do you recognize the girls in this photograph?
I do.
Are these the girls that were on your boat, with the exception of Mia, who took the photograph? Are these all the girls that were on your boat?
Yes.
They were all about 17, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Do you know how it is that your husband wound up smashing into channel marker 15?
The accident, how it occurred?
How did he wind up crashing into it?
I do not know.
Why not?
I was looking at my phone trying to send a text to the moms, a video of the girls dancing. I was trying to send it to the moms, and I remember looking at the blue line and being upset and frustrated that it wasn't going through the text, and I was looking at my phone.
I'm showing you now State's Exhibit number 1. Who is this?
Lucy.
And she died because your husband crashed into that channel marker, right?
She died because there was an accident.
I asked you if she died because he collided with a channel marker.
Judge, I'm going to object to argument.
Sustain. Go ahead. Anything else? Sustain.
No other questions?
Ross?
Judge, can we have a brief sidebar? Brief, very brief. No questions at this time. Sorry.
Okay.
So there's no cross-examination, and the witness will be under subpoena.
Okay.
All right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank
thank
you.
you.